Knowing how your home works is important. This includes understanding your mechanical equipment. It might seem daunting at first, but taking the time to learn the basics can save you headaches down the road. You'll be able to troubleshoot problems, and plus, you can ensure your family's comfort year-round. We're going to walk through the essential systems in your home. This guide will focus on your hot water system and heating. We'll break down each component in simple terms. You'll be more confident in managing your home's mechanics. Remember, safety is paramount. If you're ever unsure about a repair or adjustment, always consult a qualified professional. Don't hesitate to call in the experts. It's better to be safe than sorry. This guide is the starting point. It aims to empower you with basic knowledge. Now let's dive into the heart of your home's comfort systems. Let's start with hot water. Your home likely uses a Honeywell control system for this. You'll find it near your boiler. Don't confuse it with your heating controls. The Honeywell system is specifically for managing your hot water. First, locate the isolator switch. This is usually a switch labeled isolator near the Honeywell control. Make sure this switch is turned on. This allows power to flow to your hot water system. Without it, you won't get any hot water. Now let's look at the Honeywell control panel itself. You'll see a cover. Carefully remove this cover. This reveals more buttons and settings. Don't worry, we'll walk through them. Find the sliding button on the bottom right of the panel. This is the run button. Ensure this button is slid to the correct position. This activates the Honeywell control system, allowing you to adjust your hot water settings. With the Honeywell control panel open, you'll see a screen. This screen displays different settings for your hot water. There are 4 main settings: cont, off, auto, and once. Let's break down what each setting does. Cont stands for continuous. This setting keeps your hot water running 24/7. It ensures you have hot water whenever you need it. Off, as you might guess, completely turns off your hot water. This is useful if you're going on vacation or need to shut off the water supply for any reason. Auto is a convenient setting. It automatically heats your hot water twice a day, usually in the morning and evening. This can be more energy efficient than the cont setting. Finally, once heats your hot water only once during the day. You can program the specific time you want the hot water to be available. Choose the setting that best suits your household's needs and schedule. Section 4, maintaining boiler pressure, a key to efficient hot water. Now let's move on to your boiler. The boiler is the heart of your hot water system. It's important to maintain the correct pressure for optimal performance. Look for the pressure gauge on your boiler. It will typically have a dial with numbers. The ideal pressure for your boiler should be between 1 and 2. This ensures efficient heating of the water. If the pressure drops below 1, you'll need to increase it. Don't worry, this is a relatively simple task. Locate the heating filling loop under your sink. This is usually a flexible hose connected to 2 valves. Open both valves slowly to allow water to flow into the system. Keep an eye on the pressure gauge. Close the valves once the pressure reaches the desired level between 1 and 2. It's that easy. Section 5. Thermostat basics. Regulating your home's temperature. Now that we've covered hot water, let's move on to heating. Your home likely has 2 thermostats to control the temperature. One thermostat controls the ground floor radiators. You'll usually find this one in the hallway. The second thermostat controls the heating for the first floor. It's typically located in the master bedroom. These thermostats allow you to set the desired temperature for each floor individually. Most modern thermostats offer 2 main operating modes: auto and manual. Auto mode lets you set a schedule for your heating. You can program different temperatures for different times of the day. Manual mode gives you direct control over the heating. You can turn it on or off and adjust the temperature as needed. You'll also notice a flame icon on the thermostat display. This icon indicates whether the heating is currently on or off. Section 6. Regular checks, keeping your systems running smoothly. You've now learned the basics of operating your home's hot water and heating systems. Remember, regular checks are important to ensure everything is running smoothly. Take a few minutes each month to inspect your Honeywell control settings, boiler pressure and thermostat settings. Adjust them as needed based on your household's needs and the changing seasons. By understanding these systems and performing routine maintenance, you can enjoy a comfortable and energy-efficient home year-round. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to home ownership. Section 7. Understanding your cylinder tank. Each home has a cylinder tank on the first floor. This tank is designed to boost the water pressure within your home. There isn't anything you need to do with that room. If there are any issues, you will need to call a professional. It's crucial to know that while the cylinder tank is an integral part of your home's water system, it requires minimal interaction from you. However, being aware of its function allows you to better understand your home's overall plumbing and heating system. If you identify a leak from the cylinder, you can find the mains water isolation valve to the hot water cylinder and the cold water isolation valve. Please be aware that this will shut the water to the full house apart from the kitchen sink and the utility sink. Remember, your home's comfort and efficiency depend on the seamless operation of all its systems.